Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial, and in this tutorial let's quickly look at a few basic things about JavaScript. So in this video I'm going to talk about the types of variables in JavaScript, and we have three types, right? So we have variables with three different keywords like where, let and const. Now these are keywords to declare variables in JavaScript. So if I wanted to declare a public variable, I can use the where keyword, and this variable is going to be public, right? If I wanted to declare a private variable, I can use the let keyword, and this is going to be a private variable. If I want to create a immutable variable, that means I cannot redefine its value once that variable is defined. I can use the const variable. Okay, so as you can see, this is a public variable. So if I try to print this, okay, I am going to get my output. Now as this is a private variable, let's try to put this inside a block scope, and if we try to print this out, now we are going to get null as a value, because outside this block we cannot access this variable, right? But inside the block you can see I can get the log, which means I can access this variable inside the block. Same thing is with an immutable variable. If we try to reassign this variable, we are going to get an error, because if any variable that has been defined with a const keyword, we cannot redefine that variable in JavaScript. So this was a quick video on these three different variables in JavaScript: where, let and const. If you want to ask anything about this, let me know in the comment section.